Hi friends, today is an unboxing video of a water distiller which is used in dentistry for various purposes. So this is an unboxing video and we will open up the box and see what are the contents inside, what we get inside, then why we need to use the water distiller and how we need to use it. So let's begin with opening up the box. So when we open up the box, we see there are two components. So one is the top component and the second is the jar thing, which contains again a jar inside. So basically a vessel like thing, and then there is connecting cables for the power. So these are the things that we get. So we will assemble these things and try to use it, how we need to use it, how we need to assemble it. So this is the top part that contains the fan that will dissipate the heat as well as that will filter out the water or basically condense the water so that the water gets distilled and gets poured into this lower component, which is a steel jar type of thing, which will be connected to the power cable. So basically this will contain the distilled water which we can use and collect it into a plastic jar that we get along with these two components. So this is the blue jar that will collect the distilled water from these components once we connect it to the power cable. So when we connect it to the power cable, we will first need to pour the water up to the highest level marking. We will place the top component, we will connect it to the power cable, we will place the container to collect the distilled water. This distilled water can be used in the autoclave for the sterilization of the instrument as well as for the bottle that is used for the dental chair. So these are the two basic uses for this distilled water. One is autoclave and second is the dental chair. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.